Racing just is started. Master Maker break quickly to start. While Tawa-Tawa was left behind with Master Maker. Damong Ligaw, Showpro King, haha, rushing upon the outside is as soon as possible. Nabigani comes next. Dancing we go, then followed now by Divine Dancer. And going along for the first turn, now we have Master Maker leads by about 3 lengths. And in second is as soon as possible Showpro King. Haha, in the wheel portion is Damong Ligaw. Then 6 lengths back in fifth comes Dancing We Go. Nabighani comes next, then followed now by Divine Dancer. The next online is Dream Supreme. And a long way back to Her Highness, who's racing in less. And at the fourth turn, we have Master Maker by about 2 lengths. Trying to get closer now. In second is Damong Ligaw. The next online is as soon as possible Showpro King, haha, moving up down on the inside now is Divine Dancer. And on the outside is Dancing We Go. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Master Maker now by about 4 lengths. Damong Ligaw in second. Moving upon the outside is Divine Dancer. Last 50 meters, the program opener belongs to Master Maker. Divine Dancer, Damong Ligaw, Her Highness, Dancing We Go. Then comes Dream Supreme.
Banderang tapos, numero 2, Master Maker, crossing the warpers, ridden by JD King Flores. Masisigunding 9, Divine Dancer. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 1.